Okay, Randall M reporting Saturday, October the 6th, 2018 AD. It's 9:14 a.m. Reliable Heating and Comfort was here yesterday, and they did maintenance cleaning and making sure everything's good for the heating and air conditioning for the winter time. Mom's got a plan she's on where they come every so often and check it and make sure everything's running good. After they were done, they gave us a card, and it said, Reliable Comfort Inc. Heating and Air Conditioning, name says it all. Tell the world what you think. So that's what I'm going to do. It says, please give us a review, and here is how. Google Maps. Okay, let's go to Google Maps. Google has googly eyes. That was something from 5th grade. One open inner reliable comfort. Reliable comfort. Ooh, they're in Seymour. I didn't know they were in Seymour. I thought they were in Columbus. Oh well. Click on the North O'Brien location. North O'Brien. I don't see a North O'Brien location. All I see is a... Oh, okay, here it is. North O'Brien. I'm losing it. Click, okay, I did that. North O'Brien. Click on our 5-star rating. Woohoo! Write a review. Okay. Most relevant. Oh, here it is. Write a review. Alright. Oh, sign in. Got a whole bunch of... I'll use this one. Your review will be posted publicly on the web. I don't have any pictures. Okay. They called a few hours ahead of time to tell us when they would have somebody at the house to work on our U.S.A. SYST system. The time CHED scheduled was 3 o'clock p.m. They arrived only 1 minute late by my clock, and the guy who worked on the HVAC system said he called system APOLOGIZ for being 3 minutes late. Really pretty good if you ask me. Okay. Late. Which is pretty TTY good if you ask me. The serviceman put on blue rubber foot covers, every time he entered the house and took them off before exiting the house each time. Very impressive. Was here about half hour doing all of the checks and replaced the filter. Replace the filter. He was here about half hour doing all the checks and replaced the filter. Very nice and professional. We're all very impressed, to say the least. Okay, now I've got a card here. On the card it says, now to the great part of this. As a thank you, you can choose one of the following. Option 1, a $10 gift card to either Starbucks or Applebee's. I'll take one of those. Myself. Option 2, entered into a free basic maintenance value $198. Do you want to know for access? Send us an email. Oh, okay, so I'm done here. I guess that's it. Okay, Safari quit. Email. New message. Two. Okay. CRVICE service at reliable comfort dot $10 Applebee's card drawing. 412 Taylorsville, Indiana. Tomato. Randall Rueff at Comcast.net. $10 Apple gift. If I win, I wrote the of your service you perform on 10 what was yesterday? 10-5 AD. Hope I win. Good day and God bless. Randall M. Rueff. And send that, and that is that.